Hello, welcome back to Igbo Online College. I hope you have subscribed. If you have not done so, please do so. Today we're going to be talking about the word mma, the Igbo word mma. It means beauty or good, depending on how and when you use it. So if you want to use this word mma to mean beautiful, you use it with the verb mara. If you want to use it to mean good, you use it with the verb de. Both mara and de means is in English, but in Igbo it is mara. Mma is beautiful. De mma is good. Mara mma, beautiful, is beautiful. De mma is good. If this is what you would want to learn, please continue and stay tuned. We go ahead. So I said that mma is used with the verb mara to mean beautiful. Example: Florence mara mma. Florence is beautiful. Amaram mma. I am beautiful. Amaram mma. I am beautiful. I mara mma. You are beautiful. O mara mma. He, she is beautiful. In Igbo, there is no specific word for handsome. Like in English, you have, if you want to say that a man is beautiful, you say he is handsome. If you want to say a woman is beautiful, she is beautiful. In Igbo, beauty, mma is used for both people, whether man, whether female. Mma, omara mma, you say omara mma. Omara mma nwoke, he is handsome. Omara mma nwanyị, she is beautiful. So when you want to say she is beautiful, you say omara mma. If you want to say someone is beautiful, you add the person's name, you say mara, then mma. Example, you say Flogsy mara mma. Flogsy is beautiful. Nkechi, that is an Igbo name for a lady. Nkechi mara mma. Nkechi is beautiful. Chike mara mma. Chike is a man's name, masculine name in Igbo. Chike mara mma. Chike is handsome. Now, the same word mma could be used to mean good. Odemma, it is good, or it is well. Odemma, like if somebody says kedu, how are you? Odemma, all is well, all is good. Now you can say bread demma. Bread is good. Bread is good. You can say apple demma. This apple is good. You can say also oroma demma. This orange is good. Omumegi demma. Your character is good. Omume is character or attitude. Omumegi demma. Your character is good. Omume ya demma. His or her character is good. Aho degemma. You are good. You look good. Like you are okay. Alright. We go to the negative uses of mma. Like when you want to say she is not beautiful, it is not good. Two things could be used to show negation. I use the two. One is the standard. The other one is used by particular region. However, if you use any of them anywhere, any Igbo person understands you. So don't bother yourself, use whichever one flows with you. So the two negative markers are re and ro. I will use them in the word so you understand what I mean. You can say omari mma. Omari mma. She is not beautiful. He is not handsome. Omaro mma. She is not beautiful. He is not handsome. You see, re and ro, they mean the same thing. It's just dialect. Omari mma. Omaro mma. Bread adiro mma. Bread is not good. Bread adịghị mma. Bread is not good. Akwa m amaghị mma. My dress is not beautiful. Akwa m adịghị mma. My dress is not good. Akwa m adịrọ mma. My dress is not good. Akwa m amarọ mma. My dress is not beautiful. Akwa m amaghị mma. My dress is not beautiful. So whichever one sticks with you, continue using it. Whether re, whether ro, you are good to go. Trust me. So let's see more examples. Nri a adịghị mma. This food is not good. Nri gị adịghị mma. Your food is not good. Spinach adịghị mma. Spinach is not good. Spinach a adịrọ mma. This spinach is not good. Spinach ahụ adịghị mma. That spinach is not good. Cucumber ọ zụtara adịghị mma. Cucumber ọ zụtara adịghị mma. The cucumber he or she bought is not good. Cucumber ahụ adịrọ mma. That cucumber is not good. Cucumber ahụ adịghị mma. That cucumber is not good. Anyị adịghị mma. We are not well. Ọ dịghị mma. It is not well. It is not good. Omume gị adịghị mma. Your character is not good. Your attitude is not good. Ihe ị mere adịghị mma. What you did is not good. Ihe ị mere adịrọ mma. What you did is not good. Ọ dịrọ mma. It is not good. Ọ dịghị mma. It is not good. Ọ dị mma. It is good. Ihe ị mere dị mma. What you did is good. Ihe o mere dị mma. What he did is good. So you can ask somebody, ihe o mere ọ dị mma? What he did, is it good? What he did, is it good? Ihe o mere ọ dị mma? Ihe o mere ọ dị mma? Say it. Ihe o mere ọ dị mma? What he did, is it good? The response is, if it is yes, you can say, ọ dị mma. Yes, it is good. Mba, ọ dịrọ mma. No, it is not good. Or you say, ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Good. Say, ọ dịrọ mma. Ọ dịghị mma. They mean the same thing. Use whichever sticks with you. Okay? Say, Ị mara mma. Ị mara mma. You are beautiful. Ị mara mma. You are beautiful. Ị means you. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. Talking about yourself. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. You look yourself in the mirror. Amara m mma. I am beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, comment, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Daalụ, ka emesịa.